There's a really basic property of triangles that you have probably known since you learned about the angles of a triangle, but you may not have learned what it's called. And the name of this really basic property is called the triangle sum theorem, or sometimes it's called the triangle angle sum theorem. And what the triangle sum theorem says is, this is going to blow your mind, the three angles in a triangle, or maybe I should say of a triangle, in a triangle. I failed English twice, I don't know. The three angles of a triangle have a sum of 180 degrees. So what this means is, if we have a triangle, it by definition has three angles. If we add those three angles together, the total will be 180 degrees. So if we have two angles of a triangle, we can find the third one. So finding a missing angle, like we are asked to do in this problem, is a simple matter of doing addition and subtraction. So what the triangle sum theorem says is, in this triangle, for example, if we were to take the measure of angle D, add the measure of angle E, and add the measure of angle F, the total would be 180. That's all it says. Well, it's a simple matter of substitution here to substitute 100 degrees for D and 55 degrees for F. D is 100. E is the thing that we're trying to find, and F is 55. And the total is 180. Okay, let's go ahead and combine our like terms. 155 combined together is 155, plus the measure of angle E gives us a total of 180. And now to figure out the measure of angle E, we just use the subtraction property of equality. We subtract 155 on both sides of this equation. So minus 155 minus 155. And we discover that the measure of angle E is 25 degrees, because that's what 180 minus 155 is, 25 degrees. And that's it. The triangle sum theorem. You've probably known it for a very long time, but maybe didn't know what it was called. And now you know. Triangle sum theorem. The three angles of a triangle have a sum of 180 degrees.